This building here I'm making from chipboard, as you can see, and it's part of a complex that made up this building here in Glasgow, where they made steam wagons in the early 1900s. That's a concrete building. I'm going to try and make that one, but adjacent to this is this building here, and it's made out of red brick. It may have been built at a different time. This was the main entrance into the Loco factory. Two large doors here, and you know, it's I'm making this 1:76, so this is a first stage to get the building going, and this will be another ongoing project, so stay tuned. Well, the circles are difficult to cut out. The first one, what I did was I scored it all the way around, and then I tried to cut around the perimeter between each scored line. It wasn't that simple. On this one, I just began and I turned the cardboard or paper, whatever it is you want to call it. I turned that as I cut, and that worked out a little bit easier. Still, there's got to be a better way. Now, there's a header above. These are overhead rolling doors, and there's a header above the door itself. Now, this might be just a little bit on the large side, but I think it'll look okay once I cut it down to size and set it in to the card. And then what I have to do is, from these two lines here, there's an arch, and I have to plot that in. And it'll be a raised arch that will continue up from these columns here. So I think the next thing to do is to work on the arch. So to continue on with the Sentinel build, now that there is the Sentinel building in Glasgow, where they made steam wagons in the early 1900s, and this was the sort of main Loco shed entrance exit for the larger factory. So what I've done is, this is where we're at the moment. So that would be the rear of the building. Now this will be a low profile building. So that's the rear. And then I've created this wall in which I will place doors. Now, not this specific door, but that's how it will look, similar to that. And then the facade itself will be like so. So when you see the building here in the photograph, you'll get how I came to form the different levels of the wall here. Now, As for brickwork, I was thinking of using this Ashlar, which is common in certain parts of Glasgow. It's quite nice, but I may end up going with more of a red coloured brick. And I'll use this plasticard channel section as a header across the door to support the arched wall. And that's how it'll kind of look, if you can imagine that being cut off there. So it's quite an attractive looking building, and will fit in quite nicely. And you know, it's Polmadie, that's the area which was a large locomotive maintenance repair building centre for the railways in Glasgow. I'll need to add a door, a man door in there. But yeah, it's coming along just nicely. Next step is to start applying the brick paper. And I'll get it going. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned for further developments. We'll see you next time here at Partickhill Station.